Hello, this is Mike with MatterFix.io, and this is the first in a series of short videos we're going to do to explain how our Matterport Camera Kit Rental Program works. We have a couple of objectives with this program. One is we want to make it fast and easy for you to rent a kit. So we've streamlined the process to you just fill out a form online, we send you a quote, you approve the quote, send you an invoice, and we ship your kit. And we can do it as quick as the same day. As long as we get the paperwork done by 3 p.m., we can have a kit out to you. Secondly, we want you to be successful in using the Matterport platform. So we're going to help you throughout the process. If you need consultation to decide if Matterport is right for you, if you have a project in mind and you have questions about how to approach it, we can help you there. When you get the kit and you're using it, if you run into any issues, we're available. You can give me a call and I can walk you through that. And then after you've done the project, say you've done your scan and you've uploaded it, if you have any questions there about sharing the model or you know, just in general, anything to do with that, once the model's uploaded, we can help you there. We also sell Matterport cameras, so we want you to be successful, and ultimately we hope that you're going to want to purchase a Matterport camera. So we have brand new Pro3 cameras for sale, and if you've rented from us, you can get up to $500 off of the cost of a brand new Pro3 camera. So this would be the cost of your rental equipment. If you rented it long enough that it was $500, that you paid in your rental fees, then you can get that off of a new camera. We have those available and can generally ship those the same day. Now, another benefit of renting cameras from us is you can be assured that the equipment you're going to receive is 100% fully functional, in working order, working exactly as it should. For instance, with our Pro3 cameras, every time they come back from rentals, we fully test them, run diagnostics to see if there's any issues, and we recalibrate them on a regular basis. There are a lot of other rental programs out there. When you get a camera, you generally aren't going to know what condition it's in, if it's, you know, in top condition for your project. Okay, the cameras that we offer in the rental program are the Matterport Pro3, which is the newest model, and that's the most popular. The bulk of our rental transactions are with the Pro3. We do still offer the Matterport Pro2 as a rental, but that's not quite as popular. That camera's been out for 4 or 5 years now, and it has limitations when compared to the Pro3, but we do offer both camera models. Okay, so for each of the cameras, we offer 2 variations of the kit. I'm going to talk about the Pro3 now, but the Pro2, the same thing applies for the Pro2. We offer a complete kit, which has everything you need in it. It's all set up. You basically can take it to a job site, set it up, and start scanning. So here's just a brief overview. This is a Pro3 Essentials kit. It includes the capture device, which is where the capture app is loaded, which you use to control the camera. It, of course, includes the camera, 2 batteries, the tripod adapter that the camera sits on that goes on the tripod, charger for the capture device, a Manfrotto, heavy-duty Manfrotto tripod, and the charger assembly for the Matterport batteries. So with this complete kit, you're going to get everything that you need. Now, we do offer a variation, what we call the Essentials kit. And the Essentials kit is going to have pretty much everything that's in the complete kit. The only thing you're not going to get is you're not going to get a capture device and you're not going to get a tripod. So if you own a Pro2 camera now, you probably already have a suitable tripod and a capture device, and in that case you can get the Essentials kit. Now, the Essentials kit comes in a smaller case because it doesn't have the tripod in it, and it'll include the camera, it'll include 2 batteries, the charger assembly, and then the tripod adapter. So those are both of the kits, the complete kit, everything you need, the Essentials kit, everything that's in the complete kit except for the tripod and the capture device. Okay, for either of the kits that we offer, the Pro3 Complete Kit, the Pro3 Essentials, or the Pro2 Complete or Pro2 Essentials, any of the kits that we offer, we have a minimum rental period of 3 days, and then we have pricing that gets lower as you go out to 30 days. You can go on our website. We have the 3-day pricing, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and 30-day pricing there. So the pricing per day goes down the longer you rent the kit. Okay, so that gives you the very basic information about our camera rental program. Like I said, I've got several videos that are going to come out after this that go into a little bit more detail on each aspect of the program. But the bottom line is we want to make it easy for you. We want you to be successful, and we're hoping that you're eventually going to want to buy a Matterport Pro3 camera. And like I said earlier, you can get up to $500 off of the rental fee that you pay if you rent a camera from us towards purchasing a brand new Pro3 camera.